Welcome back. Second video. Complete the passage with a and the. Read the passage ma. In my room there is dash bed, dash old cupboard, dash computer, dash table and dash chair. Okay. See the bed. So a. See the old cupboard, that is the behind the walls letter, so we write the an. A computer, okay, a table and a chair. சில ஹோம்ல என்ன செய்யும், ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டர் டேபிள் சேர் தான் இருக்குல்ல. So that also singular noun. So here write the a. See that second one, dash computer is new, dash cupboard is very small and dash bed is comfortable. Okay, see that is the continuous ma. So the computer is new, the cupboard, the bed in uncomfortable. Turn the page. My sister sit at dash table at work on dash computer most of the time, so I have to sit dash floor and do my homework. உங்கள் சிஸ்டர் என்னது மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் தம் அந்த டேபிளில் உட்காந்து என்ன செய்வாங்க, ஒர்க் பண்ணுவாங்களாம். ஸோ தட் பாய் இஸ் அவங்க ஃப்ளோரில் உட்காந்து அவங்க ஹோம்ஒர்க் பண்ணுவாங்களாம். ஸோ த டேபிள், த கம்ப்யூட்டர், த ஃப்ளோர். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் த பர்டிகுலர் திங். ஸோ த யூஸ் த. செகண்ட் ஒன், அவர் டீச்சர் conduct dash seminar every month. Okay, so that is the seminar in every month, singular. So we use the a. Usually have it an dash auditorium. See the beginning walls letter, so we use the an. It is dash big hall dash the first floor. It is a big hall, that is the singular noun, so we use the a. That is the first is the ordinal number, so we use the. This month we have it on dash 5th. This also numbers, so we use the. Each student comes and give does a presentation. That is the singular, so we use the singular noun, so we use the a. Already thought of dash interesting topic for my presentation. See that behind the walls letter, so here write the an. Our teacher always gives dash prize for the best presentation. A prize for ஒரு ப்ரைஸ் தானே ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. A prize for the best presentation. See the first here recall that grammar point ma. We don't use the article the before plural uncountable noun, before the names of people, countries, day, month, game, language and subject, before uncountable nouns. For example, water, oil, that also uncountable noun. Next, abstract noun means knowledge, wisdom, honesty, that also abstract noun. Before the names of regular places of visit. அதாவது ரெகுலராக அந்த பிளேஸ்க்கு விசிட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னா த யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸ்கூல், காலேஜ், டெம்பிள், சர்ச் எக்ஸட்ரா. பிஃபோர் த நேம்ஸ் ஆஃப் மீல்ஸ், பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட், லன்ச், டின்னர், இதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன செய்ய போடக்கூடாது, ஆர்டிக்கிள் த வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, see the write the where required and put a where is not required. See the unique UK. Okay, first one dash UK. Okay, that is the United Kingdom, so we use the. Second one dash January. See that before the month, so don't use the. So that is the zero article ma, so you put the hyphen only. Third one dash Himalayas. Okay, that is the ocean, so we write the dash Indian Ocean. Here write the. Fifth one dash Monday. So the before the, see the grammar point, before the month, so and before the days also. Okay, so we don't used, so simply you hyphen. Sixth one we don't use the specific the subject, so don't use it, use hyphen only. That is the unique thing, so only one kind, so we write the. See, same mathematics here Hindi, so put the hyphen. Ninth one, dash Birla Museum, here mention the particular place, so we write the India, that is the specify the particular country ma, so we don't use the USA, the USA. 12th one, dash Ganga, this is the Ganga. Europe, same, so you put the hyphen. Universe, the universe. 5th one, social studies, that is the subject, so put the hyphen. A and the or zero articles. Zero article means no need the articles. Inga article varadu. He is just an excellent player. See there, excellent beginning the waltz letter. So we write the an. What is your dash phone number? What is your phone number? Here no need for articles. So suddenly you put the hyphen. Do you go to school by bus? So here also no need the articles. Okay, so you put the hyphen. Do you like dash chocolate? Do you like chocolate? So here also no need articles. So you put the hyphen. She is amazing actors. See that, amazing. Okay, here waltz letter. So you write the an. 6th one, I listen to dash music. Okay, I listen to music. Okay, here no need the articles. So put the hyphen. Do you add dash sugar to your coffee? Do you add sugar to your coffee? So here also no need the articles. So put the hyphen. He is dash software engineer at dash private company. Yeah, software engineer at a private company. That is the singular noun. So we use the a. All living things need air and water. Here no need articles, so suddenly put the hyphen. Next, complete the following with a and or the. I went on dash plane to Paris. Okay, see there, singular noun, plane, so a. The plane took off at 7 a.m. So the plane took off at 7 p.m. The company has dash meeting every month. Every month, okay. Here also singular noun, so you use the a. The meeting is held in dash conference call. That is the particular place here. So we use the. Third one, there is dash piece of paper on dash table on dash piece of paper. There is dash picture of an elephant. See there, a piece of paper on the table. On the piece of paper there is a picture of elephant. An elephant. See the waltz letter. Okay, this is the singular, so we use the a. 4th one, I can see dash a young boy. I can see a young boy. The boy is wearing dash uniform. See here the uniform. See here waltz letter, but beginning the consonant sound ma, so here write the a. Okay, U is the waltz letter, but the sound as consonant sound, so write the a. The uniform is blue. He is crying dash umbrella. See the umbrella waltz letter, so write the an. Dash umbrella is black. The umbrella is black. I have received dash invitation card. See the beginning the waltz letter, so an. Dash wedding dash invitation cards is from my cousin. The invitation card is from my cousin. Okay, next read the passage. A thunderstorm is a storm with lightning and thunder Lightning is a bright flash of electricity. The thunder is caused by lightning. During a thunderstorm, there is heavy rain with strong wind. When there is a thunderstorm, the best thing to do is to go into a building or a car. If you happen to be out in the open, don't stand under a tree as a thunderstorm can strike it. Stay out of water because you can have an electric shock. Stay away from any object that is made of metal. If you are playing an outdoor game, stop it at once and move to a safer place. Right? Yes or no? A thunderstorm is dangerous? Yes. The best thing to do is to go out in the open. Okay? No. Okay, that is the wrong. The statement is wrong. So, no. Don't stand under a tree during the thunderstorm. Okay, thunderstorm இடி இடிக்கிறப்ப என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது? மரத்துக்கு கீழே என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது? நிற்கக்கூடாது. The statement is correct, so write the yes. During a thunderstorm, there is heavy rain with strong wind. Okay, yes, this also statement is correct, so you write the yes. Hold an object made of metal during the thunderstorm. Okay, metal object வந்து நீங்கள் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணுவீங்களா thunderstorm வைக்கிறப்ப அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. This statement is wrong, so you write the no. thunderstorm இருக்கும்போது என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது? அந்த திங்ஸையும் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. So no. Okay, write neatly in your grammar book ma. Thank you.